I want to scream because this unit is so freaking bomb. Honey, Yolissa did not come to play. Do y'all see this unit? Sorry, my monitor is over here, so I'm looking over here when I'm supposed to be looking here, but I'm super excited. Like, I cannot stop staring at this hair. Like, Yolissa, are you guys freaking kidding me? But anyway, we're just gonna get into today's video, y'all. I'm super excited to show you guys and install this unit with you guys. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn your notifications on, and leave a comment down below if you like today's install. Also, don't forget to check out my store. I make sure to put in every video if you guys are interested in what I got going on. That information will be in the description section as well. But without further ado, we're gonna get into today's video. Hey y'all, we here with Yolissa Hair. I'm super excited because today we have some more curly hair. We do have Yolissa's 13x4 HD water wave hair. This is a lace frontal wig. She is 180% in density and she is 24 inches. All right, so this is what this unit is giving us straight out the package. It was nice and soft, and didn't have any type of smell. I love this Skin Melt HD. I don't believe I ever had any type of lace like this one. This one is fire, okay? Fire. So this is what the hair looks like after it's been freshly washed and conditioned. Okay, I did bleach the knots just to be a little extra. So she is bleached, but it's kind of over processed, but we not gonna get into that. But yeah, this is the overall look before we begin. Let's get hydrated. Okay, let's begin. So we're going to take some scissors and we're going to cut some jagged edges to remove the excess lace. I've been doing this lately. I probably say that almost every video. I'll be switching up here and there. Sometimes I leave the lace on and install it, and other times I cut the excess off before, we begin. What lace, y'all. Okay, so next we're gonna get into installing her with this Wig Dealer humidity resistant spray. This kind of reminds me of Got to Be Glue, but I would say that this formula is stronger and it lasts through heat a little bit longer than Got to Be glue could ever. Okay, so I love to use this type of spray when it's summertime, because y'all know it's hot outside. Ain't about time for your lace to be lifted and all that other stuff. So I definitely use this alone. I know some people use adhesive with it, but I just simply use it as is. And yeah, a quick tip to lay your lace down: just make sure you're pulling as tight as you can, as flat as you can, so you won't have any air bubbles or lumps and stuff, because like you won't want to go into parting into your unit and you got like a little lump there. That ain't cute. Alright, so this bad boy is on. We're gonna add some contour from Morphe. This is my favorite contour shade, and y'all, let's look at this melt. It didn't even finish melting yet, but it is melting. This Skin Melt lace is something serious. When I tell y'all it's something serious, it's something serious.
A few minutes later.
Now we're gonna remove it and just behold the beauty. Behold the lace disappearing before your eye. I was shook. When I say I was shook, Anyway, we're taking this Sleek and Sheen by HAIR&Tei. This is a heat protecting spray, and on top of that I'm gonna put my wax stick. We're gonna get ready to hot comb this bad boy, but I did pre-pluck it. I mean, go in and pluck it some more as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hot comb her. So now we're gonna go ahead and create a part. That is my vibe I'm feeling for today. Something sleek and classy and, you know, just a regular degular. So we're gonna go ahead and get her straight as we can get her. And this comb, I'm telling y'all, if y'all have not tried this comb out, if you have trouble parting, this comb will get you right. Now I'm just going to take some concealer to, you know, make that part pop. We got to have that. We got to. It just does something, y'all. When you add that concealer to your part, it just gives it like that wow factor. So yeah, we're going in and creating our baby hairs for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut slants or cutting at an angle with a pair of scissors, and I just leave it long enough so I can curl it, but then I just cut it again. You know, be careful when using this I forgot what it was called, my mini flat iron, because I be burning myself on the low. But so yeah, we're just gonna take and add some curls. Everyone has been doing this method to create their baby hairs. Honestly, I feel like it's super duper easier than trying to mold them on your own. But anyway, we're gonna take the baby glue. I mean why can't I talk? Baby hair. Y'all, it's in the description. I cannot talk today. But anyway, we're going to take that product by So Sharp, and we're going to go ahead and form our baby hairs with it. My baby hairs is a process. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. It just takes me a minute to figure out what type of baby hair mood I'm in for that day. So I'm trying to get in a habit and stop doing these big old swoops, but I don't know where I picked it up from. I think because I'm trying the method that everyone else has been doing, so my baby hairs ended up like swoopy, like big swoops. But I guess it'll do. It'll do. Now I'm just going to take some foam wrap lotion, y'all. This is the quickest and easiest way that I define my curls when I do not feel like doing my full curly hair routine. So I would suggest you to dampen your hair before doing this, because actually this was an old foam wrap lotion that I had left over, so I just used the rest of it and completed my entire head with it. But if you're trying to save a product, I wouldn't, you know, recommend using half of the bottle. But this was an old one. I have a new one, so it didn't matter. But I would recommend saturating your hair. This is the easiest on the go, and when it dried down, your curls will pop. When I tell you they will pop, they will pop. Super easy, and when you don't have time for no curly hair routine, you can get the same results just using foam wrap lotion. So this is a trick that I love, that I've discovered, and I think I won't ever be doing my fully curly hair routine, because number one, it takes too long to dry when your hair is like soaking wet, you know. So this is my little trick. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're at the end of the video and I'm speechless. I'm freaking speechless. Like I said, I can't be too loud. Like, I want to be so loud. Y'all don't know how passionate I am about reviewing this unit. Like, telling you guys about the details about this unit, but I can't be too loud, so I'm just going to talk out talking. But when I tell you guys this wig is the ish, is the ish, okay? This unit has made it to my #1 curly hair for the summer for 2021. Okay, #1, it made its way to its top. So let's get into the deets. Okay, so as far as this HD lace, I don't know what kind of HD lace this is, but it is popping. When I tell you guys it's popping, honey, Yolissa did not come to play. This, I've had HD laces before, but some reason this seems like ultra thin. I don't know if it's a new type of lace they're trying out, but they need to keep this. On another note, as far as tangling, I haven't experienced any type of tangling when it comes to this unit. Like I said, I bleached not, so that means I shampooed and conditioned it. I was able to run my hands through it when it came straight out the package, and I was also able to run my hands through it as I was detangling, washing it and all that. Okay, so as far as doing a curly hair routine, I didn't get any snags or tags or tangles at all. For it to be at this length, I was actually shocked. Look how pretty and full this is, y'all gotta get this. But yeah, like I said, for it to be this length, it was no tangles. Now as far as shedding, I did get shedding minimum when I went to do my shampoo and conditioning. Of course, like I said, I'm extra, so I did go in and plug into the unit just a little bit more as well, but I did get shedding. It wasn't like coming out like in clumps or anything like that, but I was getting shedding. But like I said, overall, y'all, this is a bomb.com unit. This is my first install, so this is my opinions and thoughts for this install thus far. So yeah, that pretty much covered everything. Like I said, the hair was soft, silky. I didn't have any type of smell or anything like that, y'all. I'm just here for it, nice and full and thick, and it's cute. Like, I can see myself doing everything in it. It's like beach, going to run some errands. I was gonna get my nails done today, but it's 3 o'clock. So yeah, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. And I'm sorry for looking at the monitor instead of the camera, but see you guys later. Bye guys.